The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G, anticipated for release on June 24, 2025, is set to be a formidable contender in the smartphone market. It boasts a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, ensuring vibrant visuals. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU and Adreno 740 GPU, and runs on Android 16. Impressively, it offers substantial storage options of 512 GB or 1 TB, coupled with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM. The camera setup includes a quad configuration with a 144MP primary lens, accompanied by 24MP, 16MP, and 5MP sensors, while the front houses a 64MP selfie camera. A robust 7,500 mAh battery supports 65W quick charging and wireless charging capabilities. Additional features encompass an under-display fingerprint sensor, IP69 certification for water resistance, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G is expected to be available in pink, blue, and black color variants, with prices starting at 421,000 Nigerian Nairas for the 512 GB per 12 GB RAM model.